Okay, so this is our 2017 Dodge Challenger SRT 392. It has the 6.4 liter V8 SRT HEMI engine. We have our 20-inch SRT rims there and the Brembo brake package. This vehicle is in the color granite and it's got the racing stripes there. Remote start on the key here. As you can see, there's a little triangle in the top left corner of the side mirror there. That's for your blind spot monitoring, and you can see that they've got the power heated side mirrors. Now if we move over here, we have our Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel here, as well as our in-cluster controls as well. We have our paddle shifter around the back here too. Now over this side we have our cruise control settings here as well, and then this is our adaptive cruise control because this vehicle has the technology package, which is equipped with the forward collision warning and the adaptive cruise control, and it gives you automatic sensing windshield wipers as well. Now over here we have the 8.4-inch touchscreen, and we have our SXM, FM and AM. We have our media, so you can connect through Bluetooth or through the auxiliary and USB ports. We have our climate control. We have our heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel there as well. We have our navigation. And then again we have the Bluetooth, the phone pairing. Okay, now down here we have a few different settings. So if we press the SRT page there, it takes us to the performance page. So you can set it up differently as to however you'd like. So you have your sport, track, and street. So you can change the transmission, paddle shifters, the traction control, suspension, and steering. We also have the launch mode as well. And then you can turn your parking sensors off because this vehicle also has a backup camera. And as you can see, this vehicle has a lovely interior. We have our leather seats with the SRT logo on them. We also have our sunroof up there as well. And you have your universal garage door opener up there as well as a automatic mirror dimmer too.